Hi to all, welcome to my class number 5, chapter 11, constructions of cluster. In this class, I am going to discuss the questions 4, 5, 6 of exercise 11.2. Question number 4 is, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Here you can see the angle between the tangents is 60 degree, and you know the radius and tangent is 90 degree. So in this quadrilateral, these both angles are 90 degree. That means 90 plus 90, 180. So if this angle is 60, the angle made by the radius should be 120 degree. So 120 plus 60, 180, 90 plus 90, 180. So total 360 you will get it. So if the angle between the tangent is 60 degree, the angle made by the radius at the center, it will be 120 degree. So we can start from here drawing 120 degree. Now draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Now draw any one of the radius. Now draw another radius making an angle 120 degree. For that, with any radius draw an arc. Now with this intersecting point as center, cut the arc 2 times. So this angle will be 120 degree. Join through this intersecting point with center. This angle will be 120 degree. Now you know that radius tangent is perpendicular to the radius. So we have to draw tangents. We have to draw a perpendicular through the end point of this radius. It will be a tangents. To draw perpendicular, again you draw an arc with the end point of the radius as center, then make a 120 degree angle. Now you have to bisect the second 60 degree of angle, that is take more than half of it, draw an arc with the other intersecting point as center. Now join that intersecting point and end point of the radius. This will be one of the tangent. That is angle P is equal to 90 degree. The same way you can draw a perpendicular through the radius, through the point Q. Now with center Q, draw an arc, then with the same radius cut the arc 2 times, then again more than half of the second arc with these two intersecting points as center, draw arcs. Now join. Let this will be the next other tangent. Let both intersect at the point R. Now which are inclined each other at an angle of 60 degree. Angle between the tangents should be 60 degree. Let us check it. Here you can see the angle between the tangents is 60 degree. Look at the next question. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So first we have to draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB of length 8 centimeter. Now, taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now, take 4 centimeter as radius with the center A. Draw a circle. Now, with the center B, taking B as center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. So, with B as center, radius 3 centimeter, draw a circle. Now, construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. That is, you have to draw a tangent to the circle with the center A from B and tangents to the circle with the center B from A. So first let us draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So with the center A, draw an arc on both sides. Now with the same radius, B as center, intersect those arcs. Now join it. Let M is the midpoint of AB. Here the point M will be the intersecting point of the circle with the center A and AB, because we drawn a circle with the center A and radius 4 centimeter. So AB is 8 centimeter. So M will be the midpoint of AB. Now with the center M, radius AB, draw a circle. Let it intersect the circle with the center A at P and Q and the circle with the center B at R and S. Now join BP and BQ. Similarly, AR and AS. These are the required tangents. In this case, without drawing this perpendicular bisector also you can do, because this circle having radius 4 centimeter. So we can take M as the intersecting point of the circle and AB. Here is the next question. Let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB is equal to 6 centimeter, BC is equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. It's a right angle triangle with B as the right angle. BD is perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. First, draw a right angle triangle ABC with AB 6 cm and BC 8 cm, right angle at B. Draw AB is equal to 6 cm. Now draw angle B is equal to 90 degree. 1, 2, now join it. Now take BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So take 8 centimeter, then with the center B, radius 8 centimeter, cut. Join AC, you will get required right triangle ABC. Now you have to draw a perpendicular BD from B on AC. How do you draw a perpendicular from a point outside a line? Here you have a line segment and a point here. From this point you have to draw a perpendicular to this line segment. How will you do it? First, with the center, that point, draw an arc to intersect the line segment in 2 points. Now, with this intersecting point as center, draw more than half of its radius, more than half of its length as radius, draw another 2 arcs. Now join it. This will be a perpendicular to this line. In this way you can draw the perpendicular. Here from B on AC you have to draw the perpendicular. So with center B, you have to draw an arc to intersect AC in 2 points. Now with this intersecting point as center, take more than half of its radius, draw an arc to intersect each other. Now join B to that intersecting point. Let it intersect AC at D. Now BD is perpendicular to AC. Now what you have to do? The circle through B, C and D is drawn. That is, a circle through B, C and D is drawn. Here you know that angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. Here angle D is 90 degree. So you have to draw a circle through B, D and C. You have to draw a circle with the diameter BC. It will pass through D. To draw the circle with the diameter BC, you must find out the midpoint of BC. So with the center B, more than half of BC, draw arcs on both sides of BC. Now with the center C, same radius, draw arcs to intersect both the arcs. Now join it. This intersecting point, let it be R. R is the midpoint of BC. Now with the center R, radius equal to RB, draw a circle. It will pass through B, C and D. Now construct the tangents A from A to this circle. From A to this circle you have to draw tangents. So join AR. Now bisect AR. Now more than half of AR as radius. Draw arcs on both sides of AB. Now with the center, both sides of AR. Now with the center R, intersect both the arcs and join. Now you got the midpoint of AR. Let it be M. Now with center M, radius equal to MR, draw a circle. So with the center M and radius MR, now join AP and AQ. AP and AQ are the required tangents. Here you can see the points B and Q both are coinciding because angle ABR is a angle in the semicircle. So the line through AB and AP are also tangents. So we can say the required tangents are AB and AP. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.